Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the third Sudoku of this additional in the daily newspaper of May the 19th. This is a 4-star Sudoku, so let's get started with this Sudoku. Alright, in this row we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here a 3, no 3 there. Here also a 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Then I cannot, yes, a 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for a 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And all the 3s are used, I can see, yes, alright. And now, these 2 missing numbers in the third row are the numbers 8 and 7. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for a 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 7 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 7. Let's see with the 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 8 should be here. These 3 missing numbers in this row, the missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, the 8 and the 9, 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, we have an 8 here, no 8 there, here also an 8, no 8 there, the only place for the 8 should be there. So we have the 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9, we see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then, let me see, the 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so in the second row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. How about, we have up here, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9, the 2 and the 9, so we have a 2 and a 9 here, so the 2 and the 9 cannot be in those 2 boxes, so the 2 and the 9 should be in those 2 boxes, 2 and the 9, I marked them, 2 and the 9, so the other 2 numbers are the numbers 7 and the 6, 7 and the 6, 7 and the 6. 1, 4, 5. All right. So in this row we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We have a 7 here. no 7s in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there, or could be here. But we have a 7 in this column, so it cannot be here. We have a 7 here, cannot be there. Only place for the 7 should be here. Three. How about I need a 1. We have a pair here. Look, in the third column we have a 9, second column we have a 9. The same with the 1. We have a 1 in this third column and a 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 and the 1 should be here. So we have a pair 9 and 1, 9 and 1. Alright. Then we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2. No 2 there, 2 should be here. The other numbers, 5, 6. Ooh, 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 6 should be there. These 2 numbers, the missing numbers here are the 2 and the 8. No, we have an 8. The 2 and the 4. The 2 and the 4. No, we have the 4 here. Ooh, the 2 and the 5. The 2 and the 5, of course. The 2 and the 5. We have a 2 here. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row, so in the row between, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there, but we have a 5 here, no 5 there. Here also a 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We have a 6 in this column, in one of those 2 boxes. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. There are 6 in the middle row, so no 6s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only place for the 6 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 6. These 2 missing numbers of this big square are the numbers 5 and 4. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 1. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then the missing numbers in these 3 boxes of this big square are the numbers 4, the 5, and the 9. We have a 5 here, so no 5 in these two boxes. One box left for the 5 should be here. The 4 and the 9 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9, so this cannot be a 9. This should be a 2, and this should be a 9. One number left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Yes, one number left in this column are the number 4, I believe. Yes, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 8. Can I fill the 8? No, I need to wait. 1 and 8. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 4 and 9. 4 and 9. Can I fill this? No, 4 and 9 cannot fill this. How about these 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5? We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. One number left in the third column for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 8. And I cannot fill this yet. I marked them 6 and 8. How about one number in the middle row for the number 7. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 7 should be here. Now we have a 7 here, so no 7 there. The 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6. This should be a 6, and this should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. How about these 2 numbers in this row for the missing numbers here are the 4 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow, this 4-star Sudoku ain't a 4-star Sudoku. I think the 1-star Sudoku of this additional should be the 4-star Sudoku. Anyway, thank you for watching. And if you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 4th Sudoku of today, a binary Sudoku. Thank you and bye-bye.